For the last 2 years, investors have been obsessed with scarcity. Scarcity of GPUs, scarcity of memory, and scarcity of power. There's also been concerns around scarcity of data center capacity. But this week, something important started to change in the market narrative. The market is no longer asking whether AI works. The market is asking who actually captures the economics of AI. Micron's earnings showed that memory remains one of the biggest bottlenecks in the entire AI ecosystem. High bandwidth memory remains scarce, the pricing remains strong, and margins continue expanding. But at the same time, Meta revealed plans to commercialize excess computing capacity. So that's important because it suggests the industry may be moving from, I'd say, the build phase towards perhaps the monetisation phase. And so investors are starting to ask a different set of questions. Not how much can companies spend on AI, but whether they can generate attractive returns from that spending. Now, at the same time, oil prices have fallen sharply as markets price a successful Middle East ceasefire. However, refined product markets, shipping routes, energy infrastructure all continue to tell the more complicated story. The market remains optimistic, but it's becoming much more selective. And I think that's one of the most important signals of all this week. These views are mine and do not necessarily represent those of the forum or any of its